Hi everyone, it's Lisa and it is officially December, so today I have for you this cool yet cozy snow bunny inspired winter makeup. It's a perfect everyday winter makeup look, even if you're not going skiing or drinking cocoa in some lovely ski chalet in like Aspen. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Matte yet glowy skin is a must during winter, and that's why I've paired up two different primers, one mattifying and one highlighting, before going in with my favorite foundation of the moment. Next, I'm going to be brightening my inner corners, a little bit of my under eyes, and then just covering up any veins on my eyelid using my Bobbi Brown Corrector cream. All of the products will be listed down below in the description box as well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do my regular brow routine using my Too Faced Brownie pencil, which does smell like brownies or hot cocoa and is just amazing. Then I'm going into the star product of this look, which is this amazing deep plum eyeliner by Pixi. I picked this up at Target a few weeks ago and I am obsessed with it. I'm actually showing myself doing this in real time here because I wanted you guys to see just how silky smooth and pigmented this eye pencil is and how easy it is to create a bold graphic wing liner, which is exactly what I am doing for this look. I love this product for the winter because it's the perfect switch up from your typical black, grey or brown eyeliner, and it's also waterproof, so if it is windy outside you don't have to worry about your eyeliner streaking ever. Girly, flirty long lashes are the perfect complement to this bold look, so I'm just going to be curling mine and applying a lengthening mascara. This one is by MAC. Then to add a little bit of luminescent coverage, I'm using an old favorite. This is my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind foundation used as a concealer, and then I'm just going to be blending that out using a damp beauty blender. If you're a snow bunny, you've got to have rosy flush cheeks, so I'm going to be layering up this slightly sparkly rosy pink blush onto my cheeks and cheekbones. Likewise, for a winter look out in the snow, you've got to look icy, so I'm applying one of my favorite highlighters. You can get it at the drugstore. It's by the brand The Balm, and I'm just applying that to the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my chin, and my inner corners for a radiant and frosty look. Then for lips, we're going for a baby pink dolly sort of look. So first I'm going to be overlining mine slightly and then going over top of that with a nude lipstick and then going just on the center of my bottom lip and top lip with a very pale pink lipstick for an extra pouty look before setting it off. And that completes this super cute snow bunny inspired makeup. Don't forget your puffer jacket, preferably animal print, and your shades, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!